New trim, 2-2 trim, 2-2 dumbbells, yeah, I'm going in, doing it for Keisha, doing it for Kim.
You what?
Out here grafting, nice and early, didn't we? I am dynamite, not dynamo. I can only fix fences, yeah? I can't raise them up. We don't do blow up gravel boards. One time we was on a job and he said, why don't you get them blow up gravel boards? I was like, what? Show me this thing. I've seen it on the YouTube or something, or TikTok. I said, blow up gravel boards.
The pump up bird.
But the gravel boards can only go to the top line, yeah, whatever panels you're using. So I was like, what? So we'll blow them up, then we'll go cut the panels. It was no, mate. He was adamant as well. I was like, what are you going on about? Starting right now.
What are you doing here? Building the frame?
Yeah.
Is it a drive bit or?
This won't be, this will be all together and then lifted in like that.
Okay.
And then it has a bottom over there as well. So yeah, just doing all of that. 2-0, 3-2. Then basically that door will sit in that channel. So then that sits like that. In between, and then obviously the other one comes down, the other leg there. Screw that, and then that's your frame all together. So, and then obviously that door will be a fixed door in there, 2 doors in the middle. So,
okay.
Quite nice. That's how the other one should have gone in there. Nice fit that. Lovely jubbly. Just pre-drilling and countersinking. See on the top there. Just for the fixing through onto there. Then the screw will go nicely into the oak.
Okay.
So, I think it's just an oak veneer looking at it. Don't think it's actually solid oak. Did feel like solid oak with it. Obviously this is defined, isn't it? So they've done your cutouts.
Yeah.
So that's your starting point. Whereas down the bottom, obviously then you're going by those pieces.
Okay.
But obviously you want that to be fixed in, then fix that in. And then obviously you can move everything around a little bit. Ready? Lift it up. Out there is the centre of that door, so when that door sits into that channel, I know I can fix through any point of this and the fixing be hidden. What I'm doing is just getting a few fixings in it, just to hold it.
Yep.
And then obviously then I'll go back around and levelling it that way and everything else. Okay. I know I'm level that way, so when I'm in, that's fine. And then you can obviously pack it out where you need to.
Everyone asks us actually where we get bits from. This is LPD
Yeah.
LPD Doors, yeah. They've done my front door in my old house. So if you go over to their website and have a look here, these are internal doors, and these are room dividers. You go into the room divider, they've got a mad variety in there. So that's what we're installing now. And size wise, it's one size. That's why we had to make the opening 2 sides. Yeah, that's what we've got going in. You take a call a minute. I'm back in the room, sorry. Technicals. So yeah, if you go onto the website, have a look, and then that's what it is. There's the size I showed you, and where to buy, in-store or online. So either or, you just type your location in, and then give you a list of the stockists of who's available. So all reputable builders merchants will stock LPD. It might be that you have to order it and it'll come in stock, because they don't all stock it all on shop floor. They do such a variety of doors, man, internal, externals, everything. Really nice. Really nice doors. Make sure if you use their external ones, because I come a crop on that, on my back door, I never weathered it quick enough, and the water got behind it, and I didn't put the correct oil on. Innit, Brad? Do you remember? I didn't know this either. There's a certain oil for these doors that you need to put on, otherwise it reacts to it and doesn't like it. And I made that mistake previously, so I had to get a replacement door, and then after that it was fine. No. Yeah. But you live and you learn.
Of course.
Make sure you read the manufacturer's print.
Oh, yeah,
The thing I do like about LPD is that they've already 45'd everything.
945.
Yeah, so everything's all done. It's a little thing, but
Nice. Saves a lot of time.
yeah. The hinge, so you go 6 inches down from the top, and at the bottom you come up 9 inches. Yeah, so I'm going to get this door ready, like that, and then get the other door ready, and then by the time Sam gets back with the router, route both out at the same time then. When you take these out, just take the lower one because it stops the door blowing out. So I've got the black one there that is resting on the door.
Good tip. Good little tip that. Alright. Come to me, push them both out. That's it, hold it there. Marginable. Yeah, that goes in like that.
Yeah, it's nice that.
That goes in like that, and then that shuts against it.
I don't think you're going to pick that out by the time that's on, are you?
No.
So, because then that made that good as well, that, and that, like you said, it's very fractional there, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then obviously you've got your normal, like the other ones, with your 45
Yeah.
door stop again.
And that'll go up to where that sits.
Yeah,
Yeah, smart.
nice setup, isn't it?
Beautiful setup. It's all put together for you, isn't it?
If you hold that up, you flush?
Yeah. Get your door slots on. So once you've got Thursday, Friday, you've got 2 doors to do. He's going to leave all the skirtings off.
Yeah.
He's going to get the picture rails on.
We need to do the guttering.
We're going to do it Wednesday. So on Wednesday, we're going to have all of us go outside for the day, and we get the guttering done.
Yeah.
And then any little bits and bobs. We can get the waste pipes on,
Yeah.
stack on. So we just do that together on Wednesday. Guttering, stacks, and then Brad can be in here Thursday, Friday, doing the rest of the woodwork. Ready for next week, because I need to order that stuff, so I need to sit down tomorrow and I need to confirm the delivery of the material for that
for the summer house.
Yeah. Smart.
Nice.
Nice. And I'll see you, Kieran.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. So Wednesday we're going to get the guttering finished off here. Guttering around the porch done today. It only take us half a day to be honest, outside. In the afternoon do that guttering, it won't take long. Get that done Wednesday afternoon. Sees you in the mornings, baked potatoes, sees you later.
My man's on. See you on Wednesday, Kieran.
See you Wednesday.
Gosh. Looks level
nice,
now, doesn't it?
Does it?
All that hard graft, it looks beautiful, bruv. If I must say myself, like, not, you know, blowing my own trumpet and all that. It does look good.
What have we got then? This one? You got what?
Up around here. We got to put these 5 in. I think it's fine. Yeah, we've got to put these 5 in, which I'm not looking forward to, but
why? Just tight access.
Well, they've got a patio running underneath this, and all these gravel boards have got to go down to damp, so it looks like they're in the ground a fair bit, mate. But what can you do? These 5 panels probably might take all day. Oh, this is what we do here on picket fencing. We pick it out of the ground.
You're just tearing them out of the ground, bro.
They call me Eddie Small.
It's hot, isn't it? Might be too hot, mate.
It's like Tenerife out here, bruv. Look. I've only dug 1 hole and 1 trench. Only another 8 more.
We've had to bring them into the cupboard because the boiler's going flat to the wall.
Okay.
So these have come down in the other cupboard and then we'll go into the boiler from the bottom.
Me and Brad are just going out the back now to do the back guttering. This guttering's done for the minute. I'm guessing Brad's not going to bother connecting that up. No. So yeah, we're just going to go out the back. So I'm just going to move all of these bits out to the back.
Just the click I wanted to hear. Need 2 screws over here and a bracket then please.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Obviously it's all going to be hidden, which is even nicer. It's a good way of hiding it. You see where I've got that box in now to hide all that fluid in there. So basically, obviously your covered units will come to, where is it, about here.
Yeah.
And then obviously from there, I'm going to box that in down to the top of the units here.
Okay.
So that'll just look like it's all part of the wall.
Yeah.
In with the clothing.
Okay.
Right, we've moved fly and return and the mains and the hot and cold down to the left, so all the connections can be at the bottom. We've hung the boiler and the flue so now they can get the units in. And once all the units are in, we can second fix it, connect the manifold, lower the manifold down. So there's quite a lot of work to be done there. That's about it really today.
Right, I'm off to the hub, Kieran.
It's for another week, mate.
Another week done, mate. Next week's a busy one.
It is.
7 days. I'll catch up with you anyway. Love to everyone. Steve, good luck tomorrow,
See you
mate.
later.
See you later on. Kieran, have a safe journey home.
I will. See you later.